looking out for your health here at KXLY4, and you probably already know a day in the garden is good for a lot of us, but not just our mental health. What you may not know is gardening is good therapy for one of the most disabling of all injuries, stroke. May is Stroke Awareness Month, and in a story you'll see only on KXLY4, our Hawk Hammer went to St. Luke's in Spokane to show you how digging in the dirt could be part of the prescription stroke patients get from their doctors these days. Right, Hawk?
Nadine, there's a ton of benefits, as it turns out, improving lost motor skills, improving sight. But to preface this all, doctors want everyone out there to know the signs of stroke and what to do. Just remember the acronym FAST: facial drooping, arm weakness, speech difficulty, and then it's time to call 911. Time-tested treatment, and it comes without a pill or a shot.
You'd think that something as simple as gardening is not much to it.
Turns out, at St. Luke's, when it comes to stroke patients, it's exactly what the doctor orders. Overcoming the effects of brain tissue damage caused by stroke takes creativity.
You know, going from being able to see things appropriately, processing that, and then being able to create the motor control mechanisms to actually translate that into arm movement is very important.
For Robert Mueller, on the path to recovery from his second stroke, it was a happy day when he got his floral prescription. For him,
I'm here to get well.
and his wife. She's watched her husband of 63 years garden for decades. It's something he loves and thought he'd never get to do again when he lost the use of parts of his body.
It's been very difficult for him not to be, you know, oh darn, I can't go down and get in the dirt.
But now he's back to it, albeit slowly. Every movement is a challenge, but that's the point.
It's getting them to use the deficits that they have a little bit more in hoping that they will improve.
And getting their minds off the defeat that might come with suffering a stroke. For Robert, that's a big deal.
You can do something. You can accomplish something.
For his wife, well, she'll be in charge when they head home from the hospital.
I've got my little pots on our balcony, and I'm going to get my flowers.
Guess who's going to be doing the work?
And he's going to mess with them, pull the weeds and water them.
And the recommendations from doctors at St. Luke's and the American Heart Association is that to actively prevent strokes, make sure you keep your blood pressure and blood sugars under control. Also, watch your cholesterol levels. For smokers, cut down or give up tobacco. It's a risk factor when it comes to strokes. And always have a regular checkup with your doctor. Hawk Hammer, KXLY4 News.
Thank you, Hawk.